forgot to mention is if these cables are testing good and they look terrible, then we gotta change them out. But if the cables are testing good and they don't look terrible, so as you can see this one, I don't know if you guys can take a peek inside where the actual gray part is. It's like the metal strands. So that is actually fairly good. So the cables are testing fine and the actual metal strands of wire is looking fine, then obviously we can go ahead and leave this cable. So we don't got to change this out. So I am going to leave all the cables on this side, which is just this one and this one. So these two cables I'm going to go ahead and leave because they're not in perfect shape, but they're in somewhat decent shape where I could resurrect it and make it look a little better. However, I am going to go ahead and change out these lugs. So I'm going to go ahead and change out those lugs when it comes down to it, and I can go ahead and show you guys that. But once we know exactly everything what to do on this side, so these two are separated, these two are separated, we're leaving this cable, we're leaving this cable. Now we can go ahead and go on to the other side. You always want to make sure everything on this side is done before you go out on the other side, or else you're just going back and forth. And quite frankly, I do not like to move this machine back and forth. It's a pretty heavy machine. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and take care of the other side. Go ahead and show you right now. So this connection right here is where we make our split, and that what makes 4 interpoles, 2 and 2. As me, I apologize guys, don't look at the screen. Try to cover the best that I can. Show me exactly step by step. I don't want to miss a step. So now that we got somebody needed, we got a little wiggle room. Just pops that out. The cable pops right out. Now we got a connection free. So now the cable is off. Right? So, as you can see, our connection is free. It is sports. So, honestly, touch this connection here. It's a little warm still. It's still a little hot. We still want to cool it down before we touch it. So go ahead and unbrace this cable. In order to separate this interpole, we've got to go ahead and unbrace this connection. And I can go ahead and show you guys exactly how that should be done. So I can go ahead and block out the window. It's very bright. Like I said, you never want to stare up. Probably go ahead and do the top right and the top left, then the bottom. We'll put it on this connection here. It doesn't matter which one, but we'll put it on the one that's the least hottest. This puppy here. So just like so. At 230 amp. Like I said, we need to be above 500 amp. So now we know that this interpole bad and it's got to go. Interpole now that we got this bottom separated, we're going to go ahead and start unbrazing this connection here and then this connection here. So we're gonna do that top section, guys. Figure out, hey, if there's one more that's bad, you gotta unbraze off for here these connections, guys. Unbraze them, and I'll go ahead and show you how to get ready to shoot 2,500 volts into this bad boy. It's all cooled down. So we got our numbers here.